How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding and very creative jute burlap craft ideas. Today we are sharing some beautiful and simple jute craft ideas because jute is a natural material that comes from the earth. It is strong, eco-friendly and full of warmth. Handmade jute crafts bring peace, simplicity, and love into our homes. So let's start this creative journey together. Jute crafts are special because they are natural and honest. When we use jute, we feel close to nature. It gives a soft, rustic look that never goes out of style. In today's fast world, handmade crafts slow us down and jute crafting helps us relax our mind. It teaches patience and focus. One of the best things about jute is reuse. Old bottle jars, boxes can become beautiful decor. Nothing is wasted in jute crafts. Jute wall hangings are very popular. They look simple but very elegant. You can decorate them with beads, lace, or wooden buttons. Jute flower pots are perfect for home and balcony. They give plants a natural and fresh look. Green plants and jute make a beautiful match. Jute baskets are useful and decorative. They help keep homes neat and organized. Beauty and usefulness come together. Jute burlap mats and runners make dining special. And jute table mats and runners make dining special and they create a warm and cozy feelings. Simple meals feel more meaningful and jute candle holders bring soft light and calm vibes. They are perfect for evenings and peaceful moments. Light looks gentler through jute and jute bags are strong and stylish. They are good for shopping and daily use. Using jute bags helps protect the environment and handmade jute gift wrapping looks classy and unique. It shows effort and care. Small details make a big impressions. And jute photo frames keep memories close to nature and old photos look more precious in jute frames. Memories deserve gentle care and jute crafts are perfect for beginners. Even simple designs look beautiful, mistakes add charm to handmade work. Children can also enjoy jute crafting with help. It improves creativity and hand skills. Crafting is a healthy activity and jute decor suits both modern and traditional homes. It blends easily with wood and plants. Natural decor never feels heavy. Jute crafts are budget friendly. You don't need expensive tools, just imagination and love. Festival decoration with jute looks elegant and it gives traditional and warm vibe celebrations feel closer to culture. Jute name boards and key holders are very useful. They look welcoming and personal. Small items make daily life easier. Making jute crafts is also self-care. It gives peace to the heart. Quiet creativity heals the soul. Jute crafts support small artists and business. Buying handmade means supporting dreams. Every piece has a story. Jute crafts teach us simple living. We learn to value natural things. Less plastic, more care. Jute crafts are not just decoration. They are love, patience, and respect for nature. Every handmade piece spirits warmth and positivity. Thank you for watching and supporting handmade art. If you enjoyed these jute crafts ideas, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep curating, keep smiling, and stay connected to nature. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, and please share and like my videos. Thank you so much. Take care and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.